Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I am here to show you guys the Plantation 48-inch by Astria. This is probably like one of the largest zero clearance fireplaces available on the market. Masonite might have some that are a little bit larger, but this is a pretty cool unit. So this is going to definitely be a high-end model. Current retail price is $73.56. If you are having this sitting like directly on a combustible floor, so if you've got plywood underneath, you require an additional option, which is called a hearth spacer, and that item is like an additional $1,000. So this is definitely going to be more of a luxury model. Now this is an open burning fireplace, okay? So no damper control. This is strictly designed for ambiance. This model is going to be a little bit different from some of the other models that I've showed you for open burning fireplaces because this is true masonry in here. These bricks are like real true fire brick masonry. A lot of the other cheaper product lines are going to be built from a refractory material, which is a much lighter weight material and just less expensive option. So when your installer goes to do this for you, you know, he's going to require all the mortar and everything to put this thing together. This is going to be shown in the herringbone finish. It is also available in a stacked finish as well, but I do not believe that there are any color options to change the brick. I believe it's just this like tannish kind of color shown these days. So the unit does come standard here with the pull slide screen. This fire screen located in front of the unit, this does not come with the Astria. This is just an additional option that we have on display in the showroom. So what's unique about this model is actually going to be the height of it. It's very, very difficult to find a nice open burning fireplace that has this type of height. So the height on this model, I believe, is actually a 48-inch viewing area. So I've mentioned in other videos, kind of like the taller viewing area that you get, the more expensive the product. But this one's pretty cool because it's, you know, like almost a perfect symmetrical square for the height and the width, which gives it a nice big look. You could really have a nice massive fireplace going here. Also, what is cool about these fireplaces is they can be wood or gas. So when you purchase it for wood, then you know you have knockouts if you ever want to change it to gas, but keep in mind once it's changed to gas, then the unit will be a gas fireplace and there's no going back from there. But it does give you flexibility. So if you have a customer who maybe is looking for a gas fireplace with this type of look, then this could fulfill your needs as well. I really hope that you guys found this product overview helpful. If you like my videos, don't forget, please just give them a thumbs up. That helps me out so much. It helps me even more if you click subscribe in the corner of the channel. If you click the little bell, you'll get all of my notifications for all of my latest videos. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day.